Hi everybody, this is Jeff Jones from theboxman.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this video, I'm going to show you really quick a couple of ways to add the new Kodi 21 Omega to your Formuler device. So let's... All right, guys, I am back. I hope your Wednesday has been real good to you. Once again, my name is Jeff Jones, a spokesman for theboxman.com, and I'm going to spend a couple of moments here showing you that Kodi, a great platform, a great open source software, has a new update, a new version, Omega. And I was asked in our support group how to install that from the Formuler device. I'm going to show you two ways that you can do it. There's actually three, so let's jump right into it. If this is your first time on any of our platforms, to include YouTube, thank you very much. You can subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and if you like what you see, even purchase something from us if you trust us enough. Either way, let's get into it. Now, a Formuler device is like any other Android device. It's very open, and you can place whatever applications you'd like. The Kodi software, again, is an open source software that allows the user to host any of their entertainment how they want to do it. Now, of course, it gets a bad rap from years ago, whether it be third-party applications, but no longer. It has always been open sourced. It has always been free and would always be legal for any user to use. My job today is not to show you how to set up anything. I don't know. I do know how to add it to my device if I wanted to use it. And so the first place you'll go, I didn't notice this, I wasn't going to say this, is the Google Play Store. If you have Google Play, you can always go up and search for it by just typing in, what you're looking for. There it is right there. That's the first place you can always go, is if you have the Google Play Store, you can get this software, open source software Kodi, from there. All right, the second place you can go is to an app called Downloader. Now, a lot of people don't realize that Downloader is actually a browser. It helps anyone that has devices like these sideload different devices or sideload different applications, whether they be utility applications or whatever you're looking for. So the first place you could go is definitely to the browser section, like right here. And it'll pull up, and then you can go up here and we can type in Kodi.tv. So we can actually go to their website to install the app. Okay, so if you go here and you put in Kodi.tv, and then you go down in here, hit go. Oop, I spelled it wrong. I am so sorry. Let me see if I can get this back in here. Sorry about that. There it is. Let me go here. All right. Okay. Now let's hit go. Now, since I'm on the software or the downloader, you can go to full screen by going up here, right here, press right there, and you can make it full screen right there. So now that I'm on the side on the site, you can go down and find a lot of good things about Kodi. It's a free open source. It runs just about on anything. So if you go here and you click on that now you can find the different platform that you're on. Of course, you're on Android. You can click on Android, and the one you want to go ahead and choose is the ARM for this device. Now you have to check yourself, but on the Formuler device, it's going to be the ARM v7832-bit. You can definitely do that. That's one of the best ways to do it, straight from their website. All right. The next thing you can do is I go backwards, and the last one is probably my favorite one because I use something from TroyPoint, and I absolutely love that. So I'm going to hit the menu button here to exit full screen. And then I'm going to go over to my favorites because I've already saved it. And that's the TroyPoint Toolbox. and I have his information in the description of the video. It is a downloader code, and this is his website. So you can go down a little bit to find Surfshark, or there a little bit more, and now you'll see that the Kodi Omega stable release is definitely there. Very easy to do. You can install this and begin to use it. It's very simple to do. So I just wanted to show you the simple 3 ways I said that you could add Kodi, the open source software, to any Formuler device. In my next video, it probably won't be on this platform, but in our support group, I will show you how others have used Kodi and still use it today. It is, once again, an open source software, and it's really fun to use all the way through. If this is your first time hearing about it, you can do a lot of research, searching other channels, or even going to their website, because they have some great approved applications that you'll like. So I'm going to go ahead and close out the video. I'm very thankful if you spent the next 6 to 8 minutes with us. I will be adding some different things coming up, and I want to encourage everyone that are interested in finding out how to add a really great device. I just want to thank the 10 new customers that came in today that are getting the one and done device. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys came from YouTube, and I'm completely grateful for that. Guys, I'm going to leave some information, like a link, in the description of the video. Go ahead and click that. Follow the one and done. $190.36. People are falling in love with that device, and we are happy about it. Thank you so much for watching. And in our next video, we have a great surprise for everyone. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.